But let me warn you, you're gonna treat this like some long-term feel up powder business. Make a break from that. So, you have to try convince me. But this is what I know. Tony have to go down.
We're on the same page with all of that, sweetheart. I just know why you go upon one of your vendetta move then. I know why you promise me.
I understand what you're saying. But you see now all of this, you have to also understand. You're a by the book kind of woman. I'm not saying we have to dash for the book. But you know sometimes the agency have a tendency to go study, like an exam them take. That take time. Feet get job. So with this, up to the time and fast, and I'll tell you something else. We might be on this matter with Tony, but there's gonna come a time it have to be I. But I promise you, for the time being.
Alright. That's good enough for me.
Alright. Anyway, baby girl. You know, me just come back, so I have some things that I need to go deal with and some people I need to go see. So, later it is, man.
So, that's not how it works. You know that I leave tomorrow, right? Okay. We have unfinished business. So, I need enough to last me till I come back.
No, Angie. When we come back, you'll get all of that.
No. Why you come?
Angie, you know what's there?
It's just what I noticed. Something got me out there, haunted by you.
Bad man, me I tell you no long for them to lift up the thing them in no charge about to now lock thing charge it. Yo, don't even know in a bad man. A dark man dark in no charge it. Boom. Yo. It is. Yo, charge you.
There it is.
Yo.
A beer right from one missing a bush back on me.
Yeah, them thing the bad man.
Me need to know if I made them a program that there it is. Everything for lift up right now, brother.
Yo, it make me not tell you bad man. You can't stand in your charge it.
Yo, Butcher, I nah say me like what go on still, you know. You see me? But I walk, the man them walk past, so we still have to pray. Yo, Vicious, remember say we have to investigate upon the ground and go and do things same way. You see it? So at least we can do now. I just lift up twice, sitting them put near side away. Remember, lift myself, lift them up, put side away, you know. See it? And go on pray or go on. You see it?
We are talking about out of the place it maker. Brother, Lily, we think I get Lily down, brother. Man, I walk through with place it maker. Right now, I disagree with Vicious, but right now, my head mad.
We are too long, bad man. No, we are too long to say such charge. We feel lift up the thing them long time. Don't feel like a joke it maker you can talk about walk through.
Yo, that boy can't come run the place. Our place and another place. Saying, Butcher, I told like a lost man they make her come frighten you. Hear me I say no man. We need to hear from King of Portal on the ground. So as soon as them portal, we find out what go on. We have to find out who them boy them.
Who them? I could have Ruben and who them right now. I slow, you go slow them.
It is. Remember when Chopper come close to your family, you know. Oh, you move like the weather, so. You get cold.
Cool. Butcher, you have to load the soup till it cool. You have to bad with sense.